Hey everyone, and welcome back to the progress update for Pathfinder. In this video, we'll be sharing a quick update on our Unity prototype, and we'll be explaining why, after a lot of thought, we've made the decision to move the entire project from Unity over to Unreal Engine 5, and share what we've been learning as we make the switch. A change we believe is a big upgrade for both the game and our team. That foundational learning we had in Unity was absolutely essential. It wasn't wasted time. It actually helped us figure out some of our core gameplay ideas, our art direction, and the kind of feeling we want you to have when you put on the MetaQuest. That initial work gave us a clear vision, and with that vision, we realized that Unreal Engine just gives us a better toolset to bring it to life. And so, without further ado, here is our final prototype of Pathfinder in Unity 6.
Before we begin, let's define a question to which you wish to find an answer and note it down. Click Next when ready. Great. Let's choose the card which reflects your current situation. Now, let's choose a card that demonstrates your desired state. Now, let's determine your biggest obstacle. The next card will show you possible solutions you may undertake. Almost there. Let's choose a card that will show you the resources and strengths you have.
Our first reason for this move is how we'll be building the game. So for Pathfinder, we're going to be programming everything, well, almost exclusively with Unreal's Blueprint system. It uses a visual node-based system to create our game's logic. It just makes so much sense for us. It just lets us test new gameplay ideas really quickly, and a huge plus is that blueprints are way easier for the whole team to read because it's all visual, and our 3D artist, Clark, can look at the gameplay system and just get a general idea of how it works. It just makes it so much easier for all of us to collaborate and stay on the same page. And just to showcase the power of blueprints, here's the demo of the course me and Kenneth followed in Unreal Engine this week.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video presentation. And in this video, I will just show you the basics and introduction on Unreal Engine 5.6. And first of all, I'm just showing you around the free materials that Unreal Engine has gave us from the start. And later on, we will show you the game course that Jaren and I have completed. I'm just going to show you on how Unreal Engine is really friendly or UI friendly for beginners like me on creating a game, because it has a hierarchy here that you can see, the details, the interface, the world settings, and more. And also, here's my favorite part on which you can change the game layouts, or you can program the game on how you like it. Oh yeah, I forgot to introduce you the game. The game course that Jaren and I have completed is a horror game that it has a monster in a map, in a dark world map. It really is not that dark, but yeah. A monster that chases you, it will not stop chasing you until they capture you. Without further ado, I will jump straight ahead in the map and the game presentation, or the game course itself. So here we are that we have created, and look at the graphics, on how cool it is and how amazing the graphics looks, on how realistic it really is. So good. Look at this. You can even see your character. And yeah, I also created a flashlight that I have programmed in the game. So in this part, I haven't spawn the monster, and I'm just going to show you around on how good the graphic is. And all I can say is that Unreal Engine really has a user-friendly design on where you could, it shows you on what you edited, what you have to redo and undo in the game. But oh wow, look at this. The graphics looks really amazing and how 3D it is. So I'm just going to show you around, and later on I will spawn the monster on. The monster will chase us non-stop until they capture us. So yeah, I'm just going to look around, and yeah, without further ado, I'm just going to spawn the monster. So here it is, the blueprint AI. I'm just going to summon it right there, and yeah, let's see if the monsters will chase us and if they could chase us. So starting the game, it will spawn here, or I can actually make a spawn point on every point of the map. I just put it here so that the monster has a head start. So yeah, I'm just looking for here. I hope the monster is not here already. And there they are, and they are chasing us really fast. Oh wow, look at that. But by the way, this is the AI that is chasing us all the way, so I don't know why they are bugging. So here, there you go. If they chase us, we're dead, and yeah, basically the game just restarts. So the point here is that I'm just showing you on how really cool the Unreal Engine has. And for me, honestly, the user interface really surprised me a lot, because Unreal has given a lot of basic instructions, especially for beginners like me to get well in the game engine itself. So yeah, let's see if this thing works. They're chasing us, and I'm just gonna hide here. If I hide here, and they will stop chasing us. So there you have it, guys. I'm just showing you around the Unreal Engine on the game, especially on the game course that Jaren and I took. So yeah, the next presentation will begin shortly.
But the Switch is just as much about the art as it is about the programming. Our goal for the MetaQuest is to create a visually rich, immersive environment that players really want to spend some time in while maintaining an optimized experience. Unreal's tools for lighting, materials, and post-processing, like Lumen for real-time global illumination and Nanite for incredible geometric detail, provide a ceiling for quality that's just incredibly high. For our 3D and technical artist, well, Clark, this means he can bring his vision to life with more fidelity and atmosphere. And just as importantly, the pipeline from Blender to Unreal is seamless. And this is going to be really convenient for Clark because he uses Blender very often. And to showcase to you the capabilities of Unreal, here's Clark's progress for the environment he created using Unreal Engine.
In Unreal, we can make more realistic skyboxes.
So for the next few weeks, we're going to be diving in and learning the ropes. We'll be learning Unreal Engine alongside developing Pathfinder, getting comfortable with Unreal's VR tools, and figuring out the best practices. By committing to Unreal Engine now, we're going to be building a skill set that'll carry us through all the future games we'll be creating as well. So we really can't wait to show you what we can create with these new tools, and yeah. So that's about it. Thank you guys for listening, and also thank you so much for being on this journey with us.